Is Triaba a survey panel worth your time, or is it just a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have been a member of this panel for quite a few years, and in this Triaba review I will give you an inside look and explain exactly how it works and who it is for. So before giving you an inside look, let's first go over who can even join Triaba. And some things has happened here since I initially did a review, and that's also why I decided to record this updated review so you can see exactly what it offers now. But you can easily see up here it says other countries, and you can see a list of all the countries where it is available. It is more than 80 countries it's available in now, and they have expanded quite a bit since I first joined Triaba a few years ago. And for all of these countries, they have a specific panel where the platform itself will be in your local language, and the currency will also be in your local currency in most cases. And the service will also be in your local language. And one thing that is really great about Triaba is that it does not only have survey panels in the big countries where there usually also are a lot of available service. It definitely does have panels there, but it also has panels in a lot of countries where it can usually be difficult to find panels you can join. Of course, how many surveys you will get access to and how much you will get paid per survey will still depend on the country you live in. But overall, it definitely pays decently per survey. But you can see even before joining, if you, for example, on this platform here, you can see this is for the US, you can earn between 50 cents and up to $5.50 for each survey. And in all countries, you can also go to the payment tab here and then scroll down, and they are very transparent about how much you get paid according to your time. It says here, if a survey takes between 0 and 2 minutes, this is how much you will get. And you can see then if, for example, a survey takes 36 minutes or more, then you will get $5 for it. And if you, for example, check in another country instead, you can see if we, for example, just check France, you can go here and then you can see here that you can earn up to €5 per survey. And this is what you can do for all countries, so you get an idea about how much you will actually get paid. You can, for example, see if we just try Singapore here, it says you can earn up to 7.5 Singapore dollar per survey here. And also here you can see they very clearly describe how much you get depending on the time. And this is something that I have actually not seen on many other platforms where they are so transparent and clear about exactly how much you get depending on how long a survey is. So if you want to know exactly how much you can expect to earn per survey before joining, then you can just go here, find your country and read all that information before even joining, which I find is really great. So I have now logged into Triaba, and there is actually not a lot to show in here because it's a very straightforward service site. You just log in, you have to fill out your profile. That will make it more likely that you will get invitations for surveys. And once you've done that, you actually do not have to log into the platform here, because you will get the invitations via email. But you can also log in here and check for available service once in a while, and you can see right away approximately how long it will take and also how much you will get for the survey. So it is very straightforward. You just click to take the survey and then answer the questions, and if you qualify and complete it, you will get the earnings into your Triaba account. So there's actually not a lot more to say. It is just very straightforward. It has a good amount of paid surveys. No, it is definitely not the service site with the most paid surveys. You will not necessarily get a survey every day, but sometimes, depending on the country you live in, you might even get a few per day. And overall, you can definitely expect to get regular paid surveys here. And it's not something you have to invest a lot of time in because it is so easy to use, and you do not even have to log into the platform until you actually want to take your earnings out. And speaking of taking your earnings out, let's now go over how you can get paid, because that is of course very important to know before you start taking surveys here. And again, it depends on the country. So the best way to find out what it offers in your country is to go there before even joining, check here, choose your country, and you can see if you then go to the payment section here, then you can scroll down and they very clearly, for example, here in the US, they show that you can get paid via PayPal. The threshold for that is $12.50. Amazon gift cards $10, some other gift cards also $10, but it will vary from country to country. For example, if we here see in Australia, you can see it is, for example, only $8.50 Australian to get paid via PayPal, and it's a little bit higher if you want GE codes here. And in India here, for example, it is only £4 you need to earn to get paid via PayPal. So you can see it really depends on your country. So just go there and check exactly how it is in your country. And let me just also say that Triaba actually does pay. I have a whole video with Triaba payment proofs, so that's why I'm not showing that here. I will leave a link to that in the top corner here of this video here. So if you want to see me actually getting paid and exactly how that works, then you can check out that video. So overall, Triaba is definitely a legit survey panel. You can get paid to take surveys here, and it offers a decent amount of paid surveys, and it also pays you quite well for the surveys you complete. And it is a very transparent platform. You can find all the information about how much you can expect to earn per survey and how you can get paid before you even join. Also, I really like that it is available in so many different countries in the local language, and even in some countries where it is usually difficult to find survey panels you can join. So if you're not yet a member, it is definitely a platform that I really like using myself, and one that I recommend you to check out. And if you want to see how to join, or if you want to know even more details about it, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.